item in that column, if it has k at the end of that number, what is the function supposed to do? It's going to return a float. It's going to return a float which will be multiplied by 1000. Which will be multiplied by 1000. So let's go ahead and write the return function. So it's supposed to return a float, and then for every item with k, for every item, remember x will represent each and every item in that column. So for every x in that column, you're supposed to replace with an empty string, close, and multiply that by 1000. Multiply that by 1000. So what will be done from this by this function? It is going to locate that column, the vol column, and for every item in that column that has letter k, k will be eliminated. We will get rid of letter k, and then that value, or the value that we will have once k has been written off, it's going to be multiplied by 1000. And basically that is what we basically expect. If you have 1.1k and you want to write that in numbers, what do? You get rid of the k and multiply by 1000, and what do you have? You have 1100. So once we've done that, we want to include again, if that column has an m, an alphabet m, what are we supposed to do with that m? So we are going to say else if. So if we have k, for every item with a k should be multiplied by 1000. What happens what happens for the items that have letter m? So if m in, don't forget in x. Remember we said each and every and x dot, we are going to replace open, then include m, comma, and then what we want to replace this m with, we want to replace it with an empty. So you close your bracket twice, and then what do you want? Once that m has been eliminated, completely eliminated, what do you want to do? You want to multiply that value with 1 million. So you use an asterisk and then write 1 million. It will have 6 zeros. Else, you can opt to use 1000 or 1 million, or you can use, instead of using a comma, you can use an underscore. Python will understand whatever you want to imply. You can use 1000, or rather you can multiply by these values without the underscores, or you can include the underscores to separate hundreds and hundreds of thousands and millions. Once we've done that, if, so we're going to now use else. It's not supposed to be in this, supposed to have else else. Try